Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks. Today I have something a little bit different, something I've never actually reviewed on the channel except maybe once a few years ago. But recently me and my girlfriend had our 5-year anniversary and she decided to order me something a little bit special. Something I had been asking for quite a while and I had no idea that she was getting me this. As you can see right here, we have the Mr. Porter display box or presentation box, however they say it. When I got these, you just lift up the top and it's pretty nice. And then you have this wrapped up and it just says Mr. Ryan Ramos on there, which is my name. So that was really cool. Once you unwrap that, you get the box right here with a little bow, and she had a little personalized message in here which says happy 5th anniversary, love, Aaron. So that was a really nice touch and very, very nice. There it is. I'm not too sure if it was focused enough. So Mr. Porter always does a really nice job in the presentation. I was able to order my Moonrock 350s when they released off their app. And I was also able to get a pair of the Air Max anniversaries off their website as well. They always come really nice packaged and really nice display, especially if it's your first time ordering. They do some really nice stuff for you. But you take the bow off and right here you can see it is a Gucci box. On the back it has a little barcode for the Mr. Porter. For some reason it's having a pretty hard time adjusting to that. But then on the other side right here, you get their display because there's no markings on a Gucci box. It's just whatever they put on there. So they have these listed on the website as Gucci sandals, I believe. Not the Pursuit 72s, which they're mostly known by. But I got these in a size 10. We went and tried them on before at, I want to say we went to Saks and I tried them on in a 12. And on the website it says if you're in between sizes, which I am at 11 and a half, to go a half size up, but it was just way too big, so I went a half size down. So this is a UK 10, which is pretty much a US 11. And the reason she got these off of Mr. Porter is, I'll link them down below. Gucci actually bumped the price up by 20 bucks. They're $220 on their website and pretty much everywhere else. Mr. Porter still has them listed at $200, so it saves you 20 bucks. You're already spending a lot on some flip-flops, but saving 20 bucks doesn't hurt. So there's the lid. Whenever you take it off, it's just like a creamy color inside right there. Then you get this responsibility packet that just says Gucci, and it just has a bunch of stuff like, I guess, how you wear them. So that goes to the side. And then you get 2 dust bags that are really nice. It's the same kind of dust bag material that came with my wallet that she got me a while back. Pretty nice dust bag. And you get 2 of them, you get 1 for each. I'll be doing a legit check video on these as well to kind of show you what to look for. But you can stick your finger through on each thing. They're just stitched on the sides. I'll get more into that on the legit check video. This one is more just unboxing and review because I just wanted to take these out of the box so I could wear them. So you get some paper that you just kind of unravel here, and then each slide is individually wrapped in plastic. So here are the slides that she got me. I've been wanting a pair of Gucci flip-flops since, I guess, Future did the song. I just never wanted to pay the $200. I always thought, like, you know, that's a crazy amount of money. I was going to sell my Supreme slides and buy these, but then my Supreme slides fell apart, so I just threw them away. So I just never got around to getting some. Luckily, like I said, she knew what I wanted and got them for our anniversary, and she found them for $20 off, I guess, what Gucci's charging now, which is a really good deal. I don't know if they're past season or what the deal is with Mr. Porter, why they're charging $20 less, but I'm all for it, and I'm going to link it down below in case you guys want to get a pair. You can get them for a little bit cheaper. So here on the forefoot, you can see it has the Gucci going across right there. I don't think it's leather. It has like a leatherish look to the footbed. I think it's just plastic, kind of like all the Adidas slides where it's pretty firm. Your stripes right here are pretty glossy and nice, and then you get this like stingray texture, like rubber all the way on top and on the bottom. That's pretty much it, I want to say. When you take the paper out, it's just a regular footbed. You have a little bit of an indentation for your big toe, and then the bottoms right here. It says Gucci right here, made in Italy. The little monograms going down, and yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So I'm definitely going to try to take a lot better care of these than my Supreme ones. I wore those to the beach. I wore them in the water. I really messed those up. These, on the other hand, I think I'm just going to wear these like on certain occasions. I have some other slides that I'm just going to wear around the house so I don't mess these up as bad. But just super cool that she was able to get me these for our anniversary. I had no idea. And these will be really nice in the summer here in Texas where it's super hot. I can just throw these on if we're going to the mall or out to eat or something. I just been really wanting a pair, and it's cool that she got me one. So yeah, that's it right there. Bottoms, pretty much, I mean, it's just really a standard slide. I don't get the whole markup on it for the $220 that they charge for them. But like I said, I'm going to link it down below. If you want to get a pair, Mr. Porter has them $20 cheaper than everywhere else for $200 instead of $220. So definitely recommend hitting them up. But that is going to be it for this video. I wanted to give you guys a quick look at what my girlfriend got me for our 5-year anniversary. And Mr. Porter still has these in stock. They have the different styles in stock as well. Mr. Porter, like I showed you, has amazing packaging for your first time order. Just can't say like how highly I think of Mr. Porter. It's a really great shop. But that is going to be it. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys next time.